got there with you?
Chicken.
Really?
No, it's not chicken.
No, it's chicken.
It's chicken.
Yeah.
It's chicken.
Tell chicken to speak.
Speak, chicken. Speak. Speak. Chicken, speak. Speak, chicken. Get your ear flopped there. Chicken, speak. Speak.
Chicken, speak.
Chicken, speak. Oh, oh,
Oh, shit. There you go.
oh.
Okay, put biscuit up there again.
It's hard to get out of my desk. I mean, off. Gabe's got a cat. Keeps her cat. When Brock was there, he found this little kitten. Someone brought it, and Gabe said, "Oh Lord, that's how." Now she's got so attached to it.
Really?
Now be still. Be still. Get up here. Get up here and be nice. Get up here and be nice. Now look up there at the camera. They don't know what that means.
There you go. Anything you want to say, Mammaw? You're on video now.
Be quiet, dog.
There you go.
Behave yourself.
Alright, everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Would you please take a video of me?
Hello, Katie.
Hi, I'm at my office.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.